Squishy haul. Okay, so first I got this dumpling. I don't know what it is yet. I've opened it, but I decided to make a video. 3, 2, 1. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. Let's see about this one. 3, 2, 1. Guys, I just got the glitter dumpling. I love it so much. Let me go tell my mom. I still can't believe that. Oh my gosh. Let me finish the haul so that y'all can see my other squishies like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got the swirl-nito. And then, yeah. I got the Nito ice cube. I had to open it in the car. It's in a clear packaging. I know that. Oh, and I got like these glitter babies. It's not babies, but like I call them glitter babies because like it's in like that clear packaging that has like the tape on it. Like no, like that the tab of squishies are in. Yeah. We got 3 of them in 1 pack. I got 2 packs. I can't believe this. I freaking got a freaking dumpling that is glitter. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this. I have another dumpling. Let's see. I'm really not hoping for like green or blue again because I don't want blue again. But if glitter again, I'd be so happy. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, it's really pretty.